270 at 22 degrees Celsius.
270 at 22 degrees Celsius. This is just to show plants are dry up top, so they're light. And now,
got it.
And now we're just doing a watering session. Again, top feed, just to make sure that initially the plants get what. This is like kind of an emergency situation kind of thing because they were dried out. So we are doing a top feed for today as well. But after this, it's going to be bottom feed. The pots are going to be working. We are timing the watering for 10 seconds. We don't want it to be too saturated because once we turn on the bottom feed system, the bottom of the soil or the medium is going to be moistened as well. So we just confirmed that the tubes are working well. So we just had it open for a little bit just to make sure that the water is coming through. Now the valve has been turned in a way where the water does not expel outside, but it starts filling these bottom bases. By using a siphon as this, the shower head, it's also bringing in more aeration to the water. So this is actually incorporating more oxygen into it as well. We do have an air pump that we can submerge it into this and leave it in there to keep the water oxygenated. It's better for the roots generally to thrive. Generally speaking, if it is a acute type of situation where the roots health is not doing too well, we would spike the reservoir solution with some hydrogen peroxide. That breaks down into water and oxygen as well. So generally to give it a little bit more of a boost for the rooting system. So this is the reservoir with the air pump and the air stones inside.
You good? Yeah, cool.
Check the pH ppms right before if you are, just to make sure that everything's up to par. Generally speaking, this should be fine for now. Water should get dispensed. All the autopots are already filled at the base level, so the bottom feed methods are working as well. Next week, we are planning on doing a lot more cleaning up on the plants, topping, pruning, trimming, netting, and leaving one plant as a control, not doing anything to it, no training mechanisms. And then our intention is to see how each plant, because all the strains are the same, medium same, feed is same, environment the same. All we have to do is add in a humidifier, and that should bump up the humidity, and the plant should be at the optimal condition.